My name is Arham and I welcome you to Arham's world, and I will show you some science experiments and I will be doing one of them that is called tabletop volcano. A volcano is some mountain that has an explosion of lava. But for this experiment, it won't be very hot. It won't be hot because this has no water in it. Instead of water, we use vinegar. So let's get started.
Okay, first you should put 2 teaspoons of baking soda in the volcano.
So this volcano, you have to get the set of it. Good. Now,
Add few drops of washing up liquid.
washing up liquid is the same thing as soap. So now we will
And few
put
drops of red food color.
ink.
Okay, and then
So we're not going to use this. We're going to use a tablespoon again. Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah, that's so cool. Look at that, the lava that
You
you
keep
see
adding.
that's coming out of this.
Can you see it? It's so cool.
wow,
right?
oh, you made lava.
I made real lava. Like, it's so cool.
But it's not hot.
So you can keep adding more vinegar. You see it?
That's it.
And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.